Everybody offers mobile solutions, but what is the right mobile solution for you? Here at Sand, a right mobile solution is the correct tariff, making sure we do full bill analysis, making sure we do a full review of the hardware and supplying any hardware, whether that be smartphones or tablets. Also includes remote dongles if you've set up a remote site, if needed to run that VoIP connectivity that we've spoken about over. And it also includes IoT, which is becoming more and more important in today's business world. IoT stands for Internet of Things, and in today's business world it's becoming more and more important as it's being used in devices, i.e. street lighting, i.e. dishwasher, any electrical goods that are supplied to the home, domestic or business. The Internet of Things is the ability to be able to manage devices remotely through a SIM card. We are Sand Communications. Call us on 01423 222 333. Looking after you locally, nationally and on the move.